Hello, welcome back to my channel. I had these in for about 4 days now. My hair done grew a lot in it. Since I told you to fill it, it was falling out. So, I'm just going to start by undoing these little... Hey, never mind. Nothing. You going to see what's wrong with my car? Okay. Hey, Kai. Kai's sitting right here chilling like a villain. She look like a villain. He want to see what your mama doing. See what your mama doing. These clip-ins, y'all, I must say, like, they're not like the other clip-ins I had. Like, this is like, the second batch of clip-ins that I ordered, and I don't like them. Like, we're just gonna see how it turns out. But I know the first ones that I bought, like, I paid a little bit more. I tried to be cheap. I paid a little bit more for them, and they were bomb. So I'm probably gonna order them again. But okay, yeah. So I'm probably gonna what? I don't know. Probably in here somewhere in the room. Okay. Okay, y'all. So I don't know how this is gonna turn out because they're rough. Okay, we might be on this thing. I don't know why I have so much energy today, you guys. I was like, I might as well talk to this because I don't never talk on these videos. Like, I always just do a voiceover because voiceovers are easier for me. And like, I always, like, when I make the video, I always have 50 other things going on. What, you laughing at me? I always have 50 other things going on. So, I need to get this down a little bit quicker. So that's why it's easier for me to do my voiceovers. And then, like, sometimes when I do videos, like, I do them at night when everybody's asleep. Yeah, you be asleep. Yeah, you be knocked out. So while everybody's asleep, so that I just do it and I have to stop 11 times. So that's what your girl be doing. I don't know if I told y'all, but my hair is coming out, like, my real hair is coming out. I washed it the other day. It was just, yes, I watched it the other day, guys. It was just like, it's coming out, but my doctor said it look like, it sound like it's like some postpartum stuff, you know, your hair come out around about 3.5 months. It's gonna be 4 months. So I'm like, yeah, Kai, I'm trying to figure out when it's gonna go back. When is it gonna go back? You know? I need that length. I need that hang time. Yes. So, just until then, I'm just going to be using some castor oil or whatever. You figure it out. Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus. What I was trying to do. Back to my video, what I was trying to do, so I had to stop, because... Bye. You don't never want me to be great. Ever.
Say, because you always talk about where we going, but when that wake up, you ain't never ready.
Was we not supposed to go to the aquarium today?
No.
Yes, we were.
You see what I got here? Well, that's why.
But yeah, but every other day, but today we were supposed to go today.
I need my blood pressure checked out.
You need to, because you about got my blood pressure up. You got my blood pressure up. Look. You always try to tell somebody what to do.
I tell you what, I'll be here 6 in the morning. Let me say, I'm going on about $600 night motel. And then so I'm take me a nice hot bull bath.
So honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. But I'm supposed to meet Trey somewhere. I don't even know where I'm supposed to meet him. I guess at the oil changing place. Supposed to get my oil changed today. Because I had the car for like 3-4 months. I ain't got an oil change. So it's time to get an oil change. And then, yeah. First, y'all, and like, I'm sorry, I'm just rambling. But I'm just venting because, like, I'm just having an issue with YouTube. Because I'm trying to get monetized. I'm like 500 views away from getting monetized. Is it monetized? Monetized. But it's not 500 views. It's 500 hours. It's more like 490 something. But which is not rounded up to 5. And I'm just like, I feel like I've been on YouTube for like probably... It's probably really been like 5 years, but like I stopped for like a year or 2. So we just gonna say about 4 or 3.5 years. We just gonna say that. Okay. Okay. And I'm just gonna re-clip my clip-ins in tighter. Whew, about done. I love the look of a braid out, but my only situation is, I'm sorry y'all, so it'll be coming up in the group message. I'll be trying to read it, but I'll be trying to do 50 names. But my only issue is like, it takes forever to take the braids down. But like, to get a good defined braid out, you wanna, you know, do the braids a little smaller, especially on my type of hair, you know. But I really hope this looks kind of cute. If it don't look cute, baby, I'm going to do a slick bun. Well, it ain't going to be slick at all, but I'm going to do like a little ponytail in the back or... But let me tell you, I just got a phone, right, from Walmart because they Black Friday. So I got an iPhone. I was like, okay, let me start recording on the iPhone, you know, give y'all better images and better camera quality. I'm just gonna pull these apart, y'all. Give y'all better camera quality or whatever. So I ordered a iPhone, and I can't even, like, when people call me, y'all, like, I can't hear them. Like, they sound super low. I turned it up. Like, it's just not working. It's just a defective phone. So I gotta send it back. But they gonna send me another one, so I'm going to give them a good little rating only because, like, they going to send me another one. As they should, though. As they should. So. As they should. So, once I get them going apart, I'm just going to fluff it with my Lucky Ducky pick. So, we're going to see what we need to do. If we need to do like a... Or what we need to do. I need some, like, my lips are ashy. Oh, my God. Why did I do this video and not put on no lip gloss? That's something I always do. So, let me pause this, go get some lip gloss, I'll be back. So, I'm back with some Card Max. So, I'm going to start, like, I just don't know how to go early. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I guess because these clip-ins are cheap. For them to be cheap, they dye nicely to match my hair. So. And I found another clip-in. I'm going to add to this to make it a little bigger. But let me just... So the goal is, you guys, you want this to look like your hair. Oh, Lord. You want it to look like your hair. What in the world? So I'm just going to try to cover the top, which is, I don't know, I just feel like I need to pull it apart some more before I actually start, like, picking it. So I'm just going to do that a little bit more, or whatever. I'm going to do more videos where I'm talking, okay? So that, you know, y'all can kind of see my personality. I don't want to just, like, keep doing talk through. So I'm gonna do more videos where I can just talk to y'all because Maybe that's why wait, did I tell y'all about my issue with YouTube? My monetizing issue? Maybe that's why I'm not getting a lot of views, because, like, my videos, like, I just be talking, like, doing voiceovers, but sometimes people just want to see your personality. They just want to see who you are. When you in the mirror, in the bathroom at home by yourself. So yeah, I'm just a little nervous about how these clippings are gonna turn out. I just feel too well about it. But let me tell you, I'm the queen of turning lemons into lemonade. Do you hear me? Do you understand? I can turn some lemons into lemonade in a minute. So let me add this Kyle, like, we still in this bathroom? We still in here, boy. He done woke up and back to sleep. Okay. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna start showing my personality more. Cause really, only my friends, like, and I only have 2 friends. They only really know how I be. And I be lit sometimes. Not lit as in, you know, drunk acting a fool. Lit as in, girl, having fun, living life, getting the kikis. But I be acting more serious on YouTube. I don't know. We're gonna have fun on this channel come 2020. I ain't got nobody paying, so I'm just gonna so I'm gonna turn around and look at it. I'm gonna turn around and show it to y'all in the end. I'm just nervous about how it's gonna look. I'm just really nervous about how it's gonna look, y'all. Turn around, we're gonna see how it looks, and we're gonna go from here. So I just feel like it don't look good. So let me pause the video real quick so I can take a look at it, and we're gonna go from there. Okay. Okay, y'all. Okay, so I feel like it does not look as bad as I thought at all. I don't know what's going on up here. I'm just gonna keep it 100. Like, to me, when I look at it, I'm like, girl, your edges look thin. But then I'm like, do you have, like, is it part of you, like, your hair coming out? I don't know. But, y'all, I feel like this looks really cute. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a couple pictures. And then I gotta go. Trey gonna be calling me in here, like, where you at? I'm gonna be like, where we supposed to be? Cause I know we're going to his grandma's house. Well, supposed to meet him at his grandma's house. But I was supposed to go get the oil change that. I forgot what he said that was it. So I'm like, am I supposed to meet you at the oil changing place first? Or, look at that. Or am I supposed to, what am I supposed to do? Let me know. When I see, I'm really not editing all of this out. Like, it's gonna be what it's gonna be. It's fine. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all Kyle. Poor baby just tired. He's just tired. He probably tired of me talking to him because I talk to him like 24/7. He probably been like, Mama, really? Now look, you see how I got that lay? Why the rest of it not laying? Like, girl, this for the hair. This for the hair. Ew. I need to call my mama. I haven't talked to her all day. Talked to her this morning. Okay, these edges look no. So I'm just gonna do this right here. There we go. Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill him. Ooh. I'm just kidding. But I guess this will look alright or whatever. Let me fix this little bun for it. I guess this is a cute little dude. If you got some clip-ins or whatever, this would be really cute. Why am I so hyped and got all this energy today? Like, Kyle was not up at like 6 o'clock this morning talking to me. That's why he tired, because he was up early this morning. He sleeps pretty good during the night, but baby, he be up around 5, 6 talking to me. I guess this is okay. My issue is just like, this doesn't look full under here, so I'm just gonna kind of... Alright guys, so this is my final look. I'm going to do one more turnaround so you guys can see how it looks. I hope you guys like this video, you know. So let me turn around. So I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. If you got any tips for like postpartum hair loss, let me know, because I'm dealing with it. Yeah, I'm going to post a video below on how I actually installed the clip-ins. Like, I'm feeling myself. But how I actually installed the clip-ins or whatever. And, yeah, so I'll talk to y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. Help me get monetized because your girl is struggling. I should have been monetized, to be honest. But these views, I guess they don't like my content. I don't know. But, I mean, I'm pretty sure somebody likes my content. But it's not enough people. But it's okay because I will get there. So, I'll talk to y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell for the 6th time in this video. Bye.